Court is calling 2025 CR 0004447, State versus Malachi Bauckham. Could I have parties announced?
Megan Galloway for the state.
Michael Bellama for Mr. Bauckham.
And are you Mr. Bauckham?
Yes, ma'am.
How old are you?
18.
All right. And this is an application probation. Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes.
Sir, did you review the document entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Good.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, we do.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, sir.
You're charged with unauthorized use of a vehicle. That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea you were giving up those rights?
Yes, sir.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, sir. I understand.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, I do.
Mr. Bauckham, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea? Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
Okay.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented? Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at an $800 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication. They're taking in consideration 2025 PF 02927, and there's the restitution and no contact with the complainant. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, sir.
Defense is at the plea?
Yes.
State?
It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, ma'am.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 3 years. There be a TAP evaluation, community service restitution, and no contact with the complainant. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, sir.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? State, any evidence?
State offers states one in attachments.
No objections.
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, sir.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand that the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations? Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. The court has reviewed the same. The court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, ma'am.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
I just ask that you follow the plea bargain, ma'am. He has expressed to me a desire to possibly enter the military when this is over. I explained to him about the non-disclosure. I don't believe he's talked to any recruiters yet, but he has hope that this will not prevent him from entering.
All right. How far did you go in school?
I graduated high school.
All right. Why are you out taking vehicles and things that don't belong to you?
I just want to say that I understand the consequences of what I've done.
No, I mean, everybody understands the consequences once they're at the Bear County Jail, but why are you taking things that don't belong to you?
Didn't steal a car.
Oh, well, you were with the car and in the car, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And the steering column was damaged, so that means that somebody stole the car.
Yes.
And so why are you doing this?
It was parked in front of my house, and I didn't know to call the police.
So you just said, hey, there's a car parked in front of my house. Obviously, somebody has stolen it because the steering column is damaged. So what's the next best thing that I can do that makes sense to me? Oh, let me just drive around in it.
I was going to drive around. I was just going to move it out from the front of my house.
Oh, because you're at the apartment complex and you don't want it in front of your home.
It was in the apartment complex. It was at the dead end. They got a dead end.
Oh, so it was at a dead end.
Yes, ma'am.
And you just felt, you know what, let me do a good deed today and move this car.
Yes, ma'am.
Doesn't make sense, but okay. Now you have this case, and let me just tell you, things come and go. And the amount of time that you've been at the Bear County Jail, you have to ask yourself if it's going on this little joyride, damaging a vehicle that now you're going to have to pay for. Is it worth it?
Mhm.
So what are you planning on doing with the rest of your life as far as your education is concerned?
I'm going to go to school for barber college, which I've been cutting hair for about a year now.
Okay. All right. The court is going to sentence you to the following: 4 years deferred adjudication. There's to be no contact with John Olvera, Olvera, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, taking consideration 2025 PF 02927, restitution 2, and no contact with Ana Luisa Esquivel. There's to be an $800 fine. That will be probated. Field visits 1 time per month for 6 months. Do you have any children? Thank you. There's proof of employment within 30 days. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There is going to be 120 hours of community service restitution. That will be waived if you obtain some sort of trade school certification or complete some higher level of education. There should be a TAP evaluation out of custody. Follow TAP recommendations. Probation, is there anything else?
Judge, will you, the no contact on John, can you give me the last name again, please?
Olvera.
And nothing else on my end, Judge.
All right. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, Judge. Thank you.
You're welcome. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it
Yes,
and
sir.
sign it? Because this is plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, Judge.
All right. Good luck to you. Do better.
Thank you. Yes, ma'am.
You're welcome. Who's here on Priscilla Para?
Present, Judge.
All right. So, counsel, where are we on this case?
Yes, Judge, I know that the court had some concerns as to psychological state, so we are in receipt of that report as well as furnished to probation department and the state. I believe as per the report, it's saying that she needs something more structured in terms of treatment. I went over that option with my client. She respectfully wants me to ask for time served with regarding her case. She spent some time in custody pending transfer to DDRF. She was at DDRF. She was routed here on a judge's warrant, and she's been here seeing about potential placement, Judge. I notified her that since a motion to revoke had not been issued by the states, that would be maybe an improper request. However, defense counsel does wish to urge this motion for early termination of deferred adjudication, being that she's been in custody for some time, and we feel that merits consideration by the courts in terms of the time spent waiting treatment that she still hasn't received to this point, Judge. So,
All right. I'm not inclined to grant early termination. And the reason being is because she really hasn't completed anything. But if there's some documentation that she refuses to sign, then a motion to revoke can be filed.
understood, Judge. And I did explain that with her so that But it would be up to the determination of the court to put a condition of supervision that would be suitable for her and the needs of not only herself and the community. So that would be an option. And if she refused the treatment route, that a motion to revoke could be issued, Judge. So I did go over that as well with her.
All right, so probation, what treatment do you recommend based upon her evaluation? All right, so the court then will alternate amend conditions for safety. And if she does not wish to sign those conditions,
Yes.
then the court will consider a motion to revoke. And if you all want to do that today, we can do that today.
One quick question, Your Honor. Would that be safety special needs in light of her mental health
Yes.
issues? Okay, I just want to clarify. Yes, Your Honor. And I'll speak with my client about that program and what to expect, as well as follow up with the probation office, Judge.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Gasper Rodriguez.
President, Your Honor.
Hello.
Hello, Judge.
Hello.
I like the front of the car.
Here.
All right, the court is, are y'all ready to proceed?
Yes, Your Honor, we're ready.
Court is calling 2023 CR 4768 State versus Gaspar Rodriguez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Andrew Harris Edelman.
Defense.
Renee Munoz.
And are you Mr. Gaspar Rodriguez?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, did you review the document entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yeah, I said that y'all are gonna remove my probation.
No. My question is, did you understand that they filed a motion to revoke against you saying that you did not successfully complete this probation?
Yes,
And did you review that document with your attorney?
yes,
Are you the same Gaspar Rodriguez who was placed on community supervision in 2023 CR 4768 for the offense of credit debit card abuse on August 9th, 2023 for a term of 3 years? Is that you?
I thought it was 2 years.
No, you were on probation for 3 years.
Okay,
So are you that same person? State.
In Bear County, Texas, the defendant Gaspar Rodriguez did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the month of December 2024 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
true.
State waives the remaining violation allegations, Judge.
No objection.
All right, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $500 fine? Did you understand?
Yes, I didn't know,
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4?
I didn't know about the $500 fine.
Okay. Well, what I'm telling you is I can sentence you up to a $500 fine because that was a part of your original plea bargain agreement.
Okay,
So knowing all of that, one, I can sentence you to 2 years in the state jail facility and give you a $500 fine. Do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4?
yes,
Court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there proposed agreement?
No, Judge.
State, what are you requesting?
Revoke supervision and assess punishment at 2 years of confinement in the state jail facility.
All right, defense, what are you requesting?
Your Honor, we're respectfully requesting on behalf of my client 18 months in the state jail facility, less than the 2, for the reason being that my client struggles with substance use disorder, namely methamphetamine use. He did, I know the court's aware of, have access to lifetime recovery. He did go and was working the program. However, he did experience a family loss, which kind of led to some of his instability and caused him to leave, Judge. So that's why and there's been some sporadic in terms of reporting, and that's not an excuse, Judge, but just some better understanding as to why he may have left that facility. He's in need of help regarding substance use, Judge. In light of that, he does want to take advantage of programs at the state jail. We're requesting that this honorable court could consider as well as an additional consideration the diligent participation credit being presumptively granted under the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure, that if he does well and works those programs in the state jail, a little bit of 20% of his time could be possibly reduced as well, Judge. But for these reasons, that's why we're making this request of the court.
All right, has any restitution been paid? Ms. Abrams, has any restitution
I
been
didn't know there was.
paid in this court or determined that he owed?
No restitution.
All right. And has he completed anything on probation?
Probation.
Mental health evaluation.
All right. And there, you wanted to say something?
And I went to lifetime, and then I came to court for the criminal trespass, and they restarted my time, and that was also another reason why I left.
Okay. All right. This is what the court is going to do. The court is going to grant the motion. I'll request therapeutic community for him. Give him credit for any time served. There's a $500 fine, time and money run concurrent, and I'll sentence you to 2 years in the state jail facility. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
I did.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have, I'm sorry, because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to an attorney. You do have a limited right to appeal, and that right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations that were in the motion, not the fact that you were on community supervision. Do you understand? All right, sir. Good luck to you, okay?
All right.